TRX online. So guys, kindly subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell. It's been long for me to upload video, and I've come out with another site, that's a TRX website. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So without wasting much time, I'll open my browser and show you the TRX website that I'm talking about. So the TRX website is called chainuniverse.com, and there's a TRX hash game. So where you can earn TRX by playing game, or you can get some free TRX daily. So guys, kindly click on the link in the description below and create an account. So with the account creating, you click on the link in the in the description. Then you enter your country code, then you enter your phone number and you choose your password. So after that, you click on register. So when you click on the register, click on the game and you launch on this interface. You see this interface. So there are two ways of earning money on this website. So stay with me in this video till the end, and I'll be showing you how you can earn on this platform. And you can also receive their daily free TRX by clicking on these open boxes. So let me show you the first way of making money on this platform. So you click on this box and you'll be redirected to this page where you can withdraw your free TRX. You can claim your free TRX daily. So when you click on this withdraw button, you can claim your free TRX. And this the box that you can also earn TRX or USDT from. So you can earn TRX by investing in this bot without playing any game. So you can select the duration, the time, and with 3 days you are going to earn 1.2 TRX daily, 1.2% daily. So and the minimum amount to invest in this bot is 10 TRX. So you have to choose the date, the days that you want, and you deposit a minimum of 10 TRX or more in this bot, in this box, and after the days ends, you come back and withdraw your bonus. You come back and withdraw your earnings with your profit. So you can also invest USDT in this bot, in this box. So this is the first way of making money on this platform, and let me show you how you can play the game and earn some TRX. So I'll first go to my wallet and make a deposit of and make some deposit, and I'll be depositing TRX, and I'll copy this address. So the minimum amount to deposit is 10 TRX. So this is my TRX wallet. So I'll click on the send and click on the TRX, and I'll paste the website address here. Then I'll enter the amount that I want to deposit. So I'm depositing 9.35 TRX. So I'll click on this send button. So I'm waiting for the transaction to complete. So it says transaction successful. So I'll get back to the website and wait for some few seconds. So after you have deposited, you can click on this accelerate TRX. So you have to wait for some seconds. Then you click on this accelerate TRX. So guys, I lost the first one, and I've choose even, and I bet with TRX. So I'll wait for the time to count down and check the card that will win the race, whether I win or I lost. So guys, this is how this platform works, and you can earn some TRX with this platform. So register with the link in the description and subscribe to this channel.